Hello, namaste. Good morning to everybody. My name is Joseph Mercado from the Philippines. And this morning, I want to sing a Nepali song. I like Nepali people because they are very kind and good and friendly. That's why I'm interested in their song. Now we are here in Baraka Nuclear Power Plant, United Arab Emirates. And this morning, I want to start my song. The title name, Asari May Nama. Asari may nama, pani parurudyaw ning, iklo yung meron, asari budyaw ning, bantinhay may tiyangling, rudari dararang, naudara paritya, Kampani Sahara, Bityord ko bilay ma, Bityord ko bilay ma, Manay barang niya ko huli, Itibila may tiyang ke garde huli, Pide mabasera, Kiki kura gardi ho, Kahili hasdi ho, Kahili rodiho, malay samjera, malay samjera. Chanchanay bagani kahari ko lang, abata chora kunmi bohola. Chanchanay bagani kahari ko lang, abata chora kunmi bohola. Ginbari kilduho, malay bulduho, Sansbari pasi, amalay suduho, Kay Baba Baneran, Kay Baba Baneran. Thank you. And the other song I want to share you is the title.